Hey guys, it's Teppo here from Finland. You wouldn't believe it, but winter is slowly ending. Today, the sun doesn't set till 4:16 p.m., meaning I get a whole lot of sunshine and I don't need any more of this artificial light soon to get my vitamin D. First off, I want to thank you for all the birthday wishes. It was a fantastic one. I'm so excited for this upcoming year because I know that 28 is going to be a good one. Secondly, I want to thank you for all the amazing feedback that you guys gave on my New Zealand travel film. If you haven't checked it out yet, I'll make sure to put a link below so that you go and look at it. And as well, if you're interested in the gear that I used for that film, I'm going to link that as well below so you can check out and see what kind of gear I used to make this film. But today, we're going to talk about how to travel for free by partnering with brands. But first, let's let that intro roll. Welcome back. So today we're talking about partnering with brands. And when it comes to working with brands, it's all about relationships. But what do you do when you don't have a relationship with anyone? When you don't really know any companies or brands? How do you reach out to them? How do you build that relationship? For me, it's been as simple as just boldly reaching out to companies, putting myself out there, sending my photos and my video work, and asking them, hey, would you like to partner together and work on a project? And hoping that they would respond. For example, on our recent trip to New Zealand, I reached out to probably 20 or 30 different accommodations trying to work together with them. And to be honest, probably 2/3 of them didn't even respond. But the 1/3 that did respond, we were able to communicate together and talk together and see what kind of project we could work together in order to get free accommodations. On our New Zealand trip, we ended up partnering with a company called Glamping Hub. Now, Glamping Hub is a really unique service. It helps you find accommodations for your trip. And I'm not talking just about hotels and just these everyday average accommodations. I'm talking about really unique accommodations like tree forts or luxury tents or igloos in the North Pole. They're just really unique accommodations that they're offering. And Glamping Hub is the company that represents them all. We ended up staying in New Zealand at Valley Views Glamping, and we got to experience one of the most amazing experiences of our life. Just imagine sleeping in a luxury tent in the middle of the most beautiful scenery, the most relaxing environment that you could ever be in. Just imagine waking up in the morning, walking out of your tent onto your porch, and all you see is just fields and mountains and just no one else there. It was amazing. And to top it off, this whole place ran purely on solar energy. So even when you're charging your phones, you had these little USB chargers and it was all run on solar energy. And everything that you ate while you were there was all grown on the farms or the farms nearby. It honestly had probably the smallest ecological footprint you could ever have. And it was such a unique experience to just be away from Wi-Fi and not have electricity all the time and just to be in the nature. Honestly, this was one of the most incredible experiences ever. And to top it off, in the evening, you could go take a hot bath under the stars in the middle of the forest. It was incredible. So if you're ever traveling and you don't want to settle for just an average hotel, go to Glamping Hub and check out all the different accommodations that they have. And no, this is not a sponsored ad. This is not a paid advertisement for them. I honestly, sincerely loved working with Glamping Hub, so I gladly advertise them and talk them up because they deserve it. They're offering unique accommodations that allow you to have amazing trips. But back to talking about how to travel free and partnering with brands. Whenever you're approaching a brand or company, you ultimately have two routes. For example, if you don't yet have a huge following on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, it might be hard to motivate a company to work with you. But if you have a really high quality product like amazing photos or a video that they then can use to advertise their own product, that's going to benefit them and they're going to want to work with you. And this is the route that I went with when it came to working with Glamping Hub. I don't have a huge following yet on social media platforms, but I can offer a great product. So I offer them photos and a video that would advertise Valley Views Glamping and at the same time they could use for Glamping Hub. And for me, it didn't really matter to give them a video as well because I was already going to make a travel video from the trip. So it was just a win-win for both sides. I benefited from it and they benefited from it. But if you do have a large social media platform and you have an audience that you could advertise a certain product or service to, that can be a way to motivate companies to work with you because you can say, hey, I would love to advertise your service on my social media platforms. And as a result, their company then gets more exposure. So there's two ways to go about partnering with companies. You can either offer them a really high quality product or you can use your audience in order to motivate a company to want to work with you. And now that I've worked with Glamping Hub, we have a relationship now. And I'm confident that in the future we'll be able to work together because we already had a great first experience. So essentially, if you don't have a relationship yet with any companies, you just gotta go out there. You just gotta reach out to people and see if someone will want to work with you. And each time you work for a company, make sure you work your hardest and you do your best, because every time you work with a company, you're building trust, you're building relationships with them. And that's key for future opportunities. I think the main reason a lot of people are actually scared to reach out to companies is that they're afraid of rejection. They're afraid that no one's gonna answer them, or they're just gonna say no. But come on, if you wanna have success in life, you're gonna have to face rejection. People are gonna say no, but eventually someone's gonna say yes. You could just stay at home and never reach out to anyone, and yeah, you're not gonna face rejection, but you're also not gonna go anywhere. But if you just put yourself out there, contact companies, try to build relationships and connect with them, eventually opportunities will arise and you will be able to partner with different companies and allow you to travel for free. So guys, be brave, put yourself out there. Start partnering with companies and creating them great content or promoting their services and allowing them to flourish, and as well for you to benefit from that. So guys, that's how you can travel for free. It's all about partnering with companies by offering them a great high quality product or using your social media platforms to advertise their service. I know and I'm confident that by using these tips, you'll be able to start traveling for free, whether it comes to free flights or car rentals or activities or accommodations, whatever it is. There's companies out there who need great creatives to work with, and you could be one of them. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it will be encouraging for you to just step out and start partnering with brands. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and make sure you subscribe here. There's a lot of you guys who are watching the videos, but you're not subscribed yet. So subscribe. Yes, thank you. Now you're subscribed. Now you'll be up to date with all the latest videos, so you won't miss out on any of the future videos to come. Thanks guys. Keep commenting below on the videos. I love the encouragements that you guys are writing there. Not only is it encouraging me, but also we can encourage each other. Let's make a great community on this channel. And I hope you guys have a great day.